Mitosis, cell division that takes place through asexual reproduction. It results in two identical daughter cells being produced. Before a cell can go through mitosis, the first ever phase it goes through is the interphase. Then starts mitosis, and it goes through the prophase, the metaphase, the anaphase, then the telophase. And lastly, the second and the last set is the cytokinesis. Before cell division takes place, there is a type of in-between period of growth, and this is known as the interphase. The interphase is broken up into four sections: G1, S, G2, and finally M for mitosis. You shall now see interphase taking place. And we're off, ladies and gentlemen. Interphase has begun. Pretty much, the cells do most of their growing through the G1 phase. They're chilling about, getting larger and larger. Until then, synthesis takes place, and the chromosomes within the cell are replicated, and there's twice as much DNA as there was in the beginning. It's as if it's been copied and pasted. Now begins the prophase, the first stage of cell division, wherein the duplicated chromosomes become visible and all start piling up and moving towards the center. Furthermore, the nuclear membrane around breaks down, dissolves, and disappears. Lastly, within the prophase, tiny structures known as centrioles start moving towards the east and west poles of the cell. As of now, spindle fibers emitting from the centrioles have attached to the centromeres of the chromosome. In the second phase, known as the metaphase, the centromeres containing paired chromatids begin to line up across the center equator of the cell. Anaphase commences when the centrioles are so powerful that they pull apart the paired chromatids using spindle fibers. The chromosomes separate and are now on opposite sides of the cell. Now that the chromosomes have been completely separated into two groups, the last phase of mitosis, telophase, takes place. The nuclear envelope and nucleolus, which has initially dissolved in the prophase, reappears. Also, cytokinesis, which is a splitting of the cell into two, begins to take place during this phase. The chromosomes begin to spread out into chromatin as mitosis ends and interphase begins again.